What's up, guys? Ricky with Envy This. Today we have a 2023 Ram 1500 in with a little bit of damage on it. This was caused by belt buckle. Somebody leaned across it while they were repairing a rock chip on the windshield, and you can see what they did. So in this time lapse that you'll see after this, you'll see how we fix this and protect it. Whenever it comes to repairing damage like this, you always want to go least aggressive and most aggressive. So you'll see you start with just a polisher, pad combo, decide if that's going to be what we need to resolve the damage. Unfortunately, it wasn't. We had to take it a step further, break out the sandpaper, start with 3000 grit, get a little bit deeper in that clear coat, come in, fix those sanding marks with the polisher, finish up with a final finish pad to give us that clarity and that gloss that we want. You'll see this vehicle did have a ceramic coating on it. Whenever we do our panel prep and remove this compound, you can see the area that we were working on. So we followed back up with our 3-year ceramic coating to lock back in that protection, not have any kind of worries about that longevity of the clear coat. Those scratches are gone. That vehicle's left with a beautiful shine, and damage is reversed.